Hey, welcome to How's a Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 10. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. You can see a small gear above the same Windows icon. Click on it. It opens a Windows Settings tab. Go to Update Security. Scroll down and look for Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now under it. Your PC will restart. Click on Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings. Click on Restart. Press F7 on your keyboard. Log into your PC. That's it. You can also use Command Prompt to disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 10. Go to Taskbar Search and type Command Prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Paste the command bcdedit /set test signing off. You can find it in the description box below. Press Enter. You'll get a message saying the operation completed successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!